Welcome back, everybody. So last night, I opened 64 packs of Shining Fates. And we got one of the cards that we needed. So let's go through the good old binder real quick and show y'all how close we're getting to finishing this set. I have not bought a card online. All of these have been pulled. If I don't pull them myself, then I have to live with that. But I do not buy cards. So, all that, we have all the base, basically. Well, the full art and the one full art card. All the trainers. And surprisingly, this was actually one of the first ones I pulled from the full art. And I think it's valued the most. That was nice. We got, who's new? That's new. Flapple's new. Sizzlepede is new. Choodle. I think I opened him for y'all the other day. This one's new. Let's see. Had him. That's new. That's new. And that's new, the duck. So I'm only missing like 36 baby shinies. And then, to the card that I pulled, can y'all guess, before I flip, which card it is? Because it's not Charizard. You bastard. We did get the VMAX, finally. So we're only missing Charizard. Because we got the promos, the full art shiny promos. So yeah, that's my Shining Fate set. Put the camera back, close this up. So what I actually opened were 9 tins, 2 pin boxes, and 2 mini tins to get the 64 packs. And what I was noticing from the tins, I was opening them in sets of 3. And when I was doing that, I was getting 3 full art shinies, but 2 of them were always the VMAX ones, which is what Charizard is. So the coloring on the card's a little different. So when you slide up the card before it, if it's a little bit of a rainbowy texture to it looking, then there's your chance. So I was getting 2 chances out of each of those. Could not get the Charizard. But we got everything. Yeah, this is hilarious. We're gonna go through this real quick, and then we're gonna open some Pokeballs, which is great. So if you just want to go watch me open the Pokeballs, then I guess you could just skip all this. Yeah, here's all the promos. So for the full arts, we pulled a Ditto, Toxtricity, 2 Rillabooms, and a Scorch, and then the V1, Lapras, Grimmsnarl, Indeedee, Double. And then for the doubles, the Bunny, him, Sobble, Stoneger, we got another Choodle, Guys, bunch. I have so many of these damn Vanellabes. Yeah, these are all my doubles. I have almost another set of the trainers. And then this is where it gets funny. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And only 2 of these. This is even funnier too. 4 of these. 2 of these, and then just a ass load of VMAXs and V cards. So yeah, it's not been fun, which is why I hate opening these Shining Fate packs and this Charizard that keeps eluding me. So let's put this away and then clear the space for the Pokeballs. So I have a full case of the Pokeballs, and boom. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it like that. I have a full case. These happen to be the D20s, which are not the evolution ones. Oh well. But to make time go a little faster, we're just gonna do this the easy way. Or at least what I think is the easy way. Yeah, that worked out pretty well, didn't it? So I got an Ultra Ball to start us off. There we go. And oh, holy crap! It does come with evolution. Oh my god! Burning Shadows, Evolutions, and Sun and Moon. Wow, that surprised me. Holy crap! This video's a lot better than what I thought. Maybe it is random, because I've seen D20s and they were missing the evolution packs. So this, I'm actually going to put this on the ground so that I can make way, but wow, we do get evolutions. Sweet. Alright, we got Sun and Moon base to start off. Let's go ahead and use some free Pokemon Online. Leaf to Leafeon. And let's see what we can get. Alright, Metapod, Torracat, Rainbow Energy, Bunsweet, Marini, Stuffle, Togedemaru, Grimer, Hariyama, another Hariyama. Alright, so we'll put, hopefully these balls are all the same, and we can just keep pulling evolutions out of them, because that is one of my favorite sets so far. Alright, Burning Shadows. Damn it, I saw the back. Water, starting with Vaporeon. We got Noctowl, Dusclops, Metapod, Mudbray, Tynamo, Oddish, Duskull, Morlor, Wishful Baton, and Turtonator. So we'll put these over here. And then I will show you the codes for these later, because sometimes they're turned around and I do not want to know what they are. So I'm gonna close my eyes, put it behind me, go 3. No, not take anything off the back. Alright. Misty's Determination, Revive, Haunter, Ghastly, Magnemite, Seal, Charmander, Diglett, ooh, cool. Nice little reverse Charmander. Ooh. Oh my god. Holy shit. We have a Dragonite EX Gold. And it actually looks like it's in very good condition. Let's see the back. The back is a little off, unfortunately. Oh, I would have loved to have this graded, but holy crap. Actually, I think I see print. No, maybe not. Can't tell. So this is definitely going in a sleeve. That was amazing. We'll put you right there. And I'm actually going to sleeve the Charmander, because that thing is just beautiful. This is something I would love to get graded too. Back is fine. But unfortunately, the front is a little off-center. Let me know what you think about that. I think it's a little heavy on this. From far away, it looks pretty good. The top is definitely a little thin. I don't know. Let me know what you think. That would be cool to have one of these graded as well. Alright. I am definitely looking forward to opening up more of these balls. So there's your evolutions code. That was an ultra ball. Let's do the what is that called? The Premier Ball. Is that what it's called? All right. Just for this little cut, you're not gonna open. All right, let's see if we got it. Yes, we did. And again, Burning Shadows, Evolutions, and Sun and Moon. Let's see what our coin is. Who's that? I forget his name. Starts with a Z, I'm pretty sure. Geez, these balls. Alright. I do like the balls. I like them to keep them. And my kid also enjoys playing with them. I don't know why. He likes to put his snacks in them. It's pretty funny. Alright. Come on, ball. Alright. Let's put that back on there. And let's start this again. Sun and Moon base set. Alright, code. Through the front, flip over the steel, and we have a Repel, a Golbat, Professor Kukui, I think that's how you say it, Paris, Kimiko, Rattata, Roggenrola, Marini, Masquerain. Ooh. What do we have? Okay. Primarina, Primarina GX. And this card actually looks decent. Not on the back. Just my luck. Speaking of my luck, every time I pull or find something amazing, I'm always, lately, I have been getting pretty screwed over. I'm pretty sure if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my Dodson 510 Super Treasure Hunt. But geez, look at the card. It was sitting sideways and just got destroyed all over. So yeah, condition-wise on everything that I pull, open, and find, just been complete garbage. Hopefully, my kid's trying to take a nap. It's the only time I can do my videos. But I can hear him crying, but that's just because he wants out of his crib, and he's not getting out. Alright. Escape Rope, Gloom, Jupiter, Tangela, Rhyhorn, Riolu, Cutiefly, Weakness Policy, and Ledian. Alright. Evolutions time. These are just amazing. There's just so many good cards in here. Okay, good. Here's the code. I don't like when they're the other way and I see it and then it just shows me the green card and it says, "Huh, you're boned." Alright. Let's move this camera up because there. Porygon, Pokedex, Kakuna, Nidoran, Poliwag, Energy going to Leafeon. I don't know if I did the other one, I forgot. Rattata, Vulpix, Reverse Magmar, and another one, Mewtwo EX. Yes! We're gonna sleeve all this up. Magmar looks pretty good. Cool. Alright. Let's see this Mewtwo. A little fat on one side, but yeah, there's another Evolutions pull. Alright. Let's get organized and I'm pretty sure this is a Dusk Ball. Let's see if we do it this way. I'm pretty sure I just scratched the ball. Oh, there we go. And I did. Oh well. Alright. And that's just a great sight to see. Burning Shadows Evolutions. Another one of these. I think it's Zoro. Something. Yeah, that feeling that you get when you open a little tin and you see these. Oh, so wonderful. And we're doing really good on the evolutions. Sun and Moon, I rarely get good hits out of these. The one we just got was Pure Luck Dark, and we're gonna put that right there. We'll showcase that. All right, Steenie, Energy Retrieval, Corsola, Meowth, Sandile, ooh, Crabrawler, Drowsy, Grubbin, Stoutland, and Crocodile Hollow. So that's not bad. It's a nice looking card. Alright, Burning Shadows. Charizard? Did we do it? Because Shining Fates won't do it. Can Burning Shadows do it? Let's see. Dusclops, Simisear, Wimpod, Togedemaru, Krogunk, Pansear, Magikarp, Arnaquid, and Shinotic, or whatever. Nope. Evolutions? What do you got for me? I definitely see a messed up card. Alright, don't be backwards. Yes, here y'all go. 3 to the front, no flips. And we have a Revive, a Haunter, Brock's Grit, Ghastly, Diglett, Rattata, another Charmander, rub his little belly, Psychic, Reverse Rattata, and there's our trash. Not bad though. Alright. We'll go Pokéball. And yes, I know that they have this thing, but we all know it sucks. Yeah, see? So it's just faster just to do this. open it up, pull out our amazing packs. See if we get a different coin. Nope, same coin. Alright, so this will be the 4th Pokeball out of the 6. Sun and Moon. Open up real nice. Real nice, alright. 3 Dark. Switch, Boldor, Gramble, Cosmog, Roggenrola, Sandygast, Caterpie, Skarmory, Drowsy, and Cloyster. Alright. So far, Burning Shadows has been the big dud for now. Let's see if we can change that. There's that. We have 3. Turn over the water. And Simisage, Tormenting Spray, Whirlipede, Meowth, Vulpix, Wimpod, Togedemaru, Croagunk, Weakness Policy, and ooh, here's a GX of Necrozma. So we finally got some out of Burning Shadows. Not bad. Alright. Next up, Evolutions. Alright. Steel Energy right there in the front. I'll put that over to the... hold on. 3... colorless, okay. De-evolution spray, put that back. Metapod, the energy, Growlithe, Ghastly, Charmander again, Rattata, and a break card of Machamp, and another Farfetch'd. Tell me what you think of these break cards, because I don't like sideways cards. It's cool, but eh. Put that up there. Y'all can't even see that. We'll just put it right here. Alright, 2 to go. Great Ball. Hopefully this will be a great pull. Another same coin. Alright. Whoa, okay, yeah. So, Sun and Moon again, base set. We've gotten good hits out of all of them so far, out of each pack. Evolutions, I would say, is winning. Torracat, Energy Switch, Trumbeak, Togedemaru, Carvana, Pickpeck, Sandile, Snowball, Potion. Oh, another gold. A Nest Ball. Oh, wow. This is Sun and Moon, right? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty nice. Check the back. The back is meh. So that's 2 gold cards. It would have been funny if we pulled a Nest Ball out of a Nest Ball. They're falling. Come on, Vaporeon, do your job. There you go. Alright. That was Sun and Moon base, and now we're at Burning Shadows. Can we pull a gold card out of Burning Shadows? That would be cool. Psychic. Alright, Escape Rope. Cells. Damn it. I forgot his name. Ribombi, Brawler, Sneasel, Venipede, Horsey, Cute Fly, DNC, and Beware. Alright. Evolutions. What you got for me? Do you have a Charizard? Okay. There's your code. 3 to the front. Leave it alone. Going with a Metapod. Ooh, Charizard Spirit Link. Double Energy. Duo. Nice little Pikachu right there. Machop. Growlithe. Onix. And Venusaur. Electode. Or... oh, you fucker. Electrode. There we go. Okay. One more ball to go. And it is another dust ball. The only one that is a double in the box. Ah! Alright. Last chance to find a Charizard. I don't mind not finding one after what we've already pulled. We have literally pulled gold, and I have no complaints. Especially that Dragonite. That thing is just gorgeous. That's actually the first gold Pokemon that I own. Most of my gold cards, actually, all of my gold cards are trainers, or the item trainer. So it's pretty rough. Alright. Is that Brownie? Alright. Big Masa Mal Asada. Not even gonna try. Chimico, Kameko, whatever, Maku, Hida, Caterpie, Paris, Yangoose, Snubble, and a Vikavolt holographic. Cool. Burning Shadows, last chance to find the Charizard or whichever, I don't know, they're 1 or 2 in this set. I think there's 2. There's 2. There's a regular one. V. Alright, 3 Flip Psychic. Espeon in the lead with the energies. We have Buffalont, Simipour, Noctowl, Morlor, Sandygast, Venipede, Horsey, Mudbray, Charmeleon, Reverse, lots of action, and cannot finish it out. Alright, Burning Shadows, you have let me down today. Last pack of Evolutions. I really was not expecting to open Evolutions today. I knew for a fact that there was Burning Shadows in there, but the Evolutions caught me off guard. I thought it was, I think it's C20s. I thought those were the ones with the Evolutions. Here's some code. 3 to the front, do not flip. And can we finish strong? Because we started strong. Let's finish the way we started. There's our Charmeleon. Tangela, Ponyta, Doduo, Staryu, Seal, Reverse Nidoran, and 3, 2, 1. Clefairy, holographic. Nice. Nice. So I definitely say that these balls were way worth it. Like, what, 13, 14 bucks each? Something like that. Yeah, that was great. That was way better than what the hell was happening last night. We have the Dragonite. It's a bad boy right there. Mewtwo EX. This guy. Primarina GX. The Nest Ball. The Golden Nest Ball. We pull the ball out of a ball. And the Necrozma GX from Burning Shadows. And there was some few hollows. Oh yeah, and the break card of the Machamp. The Clefairy. And there was a few others, but I'm not collecting some of those. So yeah, that will do it today. I'm sorry that this video was so long. But I will see y'all. No, I'll see you Wednesday. I'm gone this weekend, so I don't think there'll be a video Friday. Don't forget to watch the video about picking a Matchbox car. And we're going to race them. We need 2 more people for that. Just go watch the video, pick a car, and we will start that. It's been too long. It started off great. And yeah, look at that new Supra. Bam. I will see y'all Wednesday.